Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to download, install WhatsApp on your phone. It's very simple and easy. So if you want to install WhatsApp whether on Android device or iOS device, what you need to do is to just go to your Play Store if you're on Android or Google Store. So this is Play Store. Also you can also install that on Palm Store. But it's something, just type WhatsApp. So search WhatsApp. So this is WhatsApp. I already installed that on my phone. Or you can also search for WhatsApp Business. Anyone, they are the same thing. They are the same companies owned by Facebook. So this is WhatsApp Business. If you have a business, this WhatsApp is best for you. And you can have the two WhatsApp on your phone. You can be using them together. The two WhatsApp, either WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, you can be using them. So once you search for WhatsApp, you click on install, it will be installed straight into your phone. But for me, I already have it on my phone, so let me show you how to install that. Let me go back. Let me go to multiple accounts. Let me go to multiple accounts. Okay, let me go to multiple accounts. So this is WhatsApp that I've already downloaded on my phone, so I want to install it on my device right now. So I will click on WhatsApp. It will start loading. But for you, if you are installing it straight, this interface will not show. This interface will not show. So what you will see for your own is this. So you choose your language, whether English, Hausa, Afrikaans, and all those languages. There are so many languages. There are Chinese language, but for me, I use English. This is my default phone language, and this is the language I understand. So I click on continue. So you agree the terms. So I click on agree terms. Then you add your phone number. When adding your phone number, don't add the first zero on your phone number. So let me add 08. I exclude the first zero. 85 89 7535. So I click on next. You make sure that your phone number is correct, because they will be sending. I click OK. So I click on continue. So they will send automatic verification with my phone number. So verifying your phone number, waiting to automatically dictate an SMS sent to your phone. So we are waiting. So they are going to send an SMS 272916 272916 272916 is the code. So you copy the code and put it and say verification completed. So we have done that. So you can give access if you have a backup. So let me cancel this. Skip. If you have a backup, you can do that. Looking for backup. So you put your name if you like. You can add any name. So let me go with Shanky. Okay. If you had a profile picture, you can add it, your profile picture. You can do that next time. So it's initializing our account. It will take some time to do that. So as we are waiting for that, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do it to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I produce an awesome video like this. Please also remember to share this video to your friends, your well wishers, even your enemies, because this might be beneficial to them, because I'll be uploading videos on this channel on a daily or weekly basis, helpful videos that will help you both on your phone and how to make money online. So I think we are done. So this is how to download and install WhatsApp. As you can see, I've already downloaded and installed this WhatsApp on my phone. This is a fresh new WhatsApp. As you can see, I don't have any chat status. I don't have any status here. Okay, I have one person here. Then call, I don't have anything on call. But if I should go to my normal WhatsApp, so let me go to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp. So as you can see, I have so many chats. Here. So my status, this I have so many status. So of course I have so many things. But with time I'll be showing you how to edit all these things, how to go about these things. So this WhatsApp, so this video is just how to download and install it. So watch the next video or check the next video on any solution on WhatsApp. You have WhatsApp trick and tips. So do well to subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful day ahead. Thanks for watching this video.